Okay, so we are right outside the El Cortez, walking back to my hotel room tonight. I'm going to go ahead and just see if I can't walk you back through. There's valet. You can probably walk around this way. Show you the way up to my room. I'm coming off Ogden Street, and and this is the entrance closest to registration, so just not too surprising, really. This beautiful car, 1948 Cadillac. This car is actually younger than this casino. Right over here, hotel registration. Probably can't see it. And then, very, very close to hotel registration, there's the lobby bar. But the elevators to the towers are right over here. There's another set of elevators to the towers, so I don't know if they sent me to these because they were closer, or because my room was only accessible using these particular elevators. I'm not sure. That is not a question I can answer for you. Surprisingly enough, this is a very secure sort of facility. You got to have your key card in order to access your room. So I'm getting my key card out. And we're going into the elevator, and no one else is going into the elevator. So we're going to get the key card out, I think. This is so ultimately not cool. Okay, you have your key card. And you wave it in front of this little thing here. And then you put your floor. There you go. So anyway, we're going to go up to the room. It's going to be my last video for the day. I had a lot of videos today. And so room 600 through 615, and because I am very, very special, and I paid for the privilege, you go up here, you will in fact discover, right here, yeah, the one with the double doors, place that looks like the president probably stayed here. That's where I stay. Anyway, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Have a great night.